Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're escaping the ordinary and diving into the most sought-after architectural trend, farm and cabin house designs. These are more than just homes, they are retreats designed for ultimate tranquility. We've meticulously ranked and detailed the top 10 best farm and cabin house designs, from sleek modern cubes to cozy traditional lodges. Get ready to be inspired because these designs are the blueprint for your dream escape. The concept of farm and cabin house designs is actually a beautiful fusion of two distinct architectural philosophies. Farmhouse design traditionally emphasizes practicality, symmetry, large porches, and a bright, airy aesthetic, often utilizing materials like whiteboard and batten siding. Cabin design, however, focuses on a deep, rustic connection to a natural setting, prioritizing rugged materials like logs, dark wood, and stone, and often maximizing views with large windows. Modern iterations, like the examples you'll see today, blend the best of both, the simple, functional shapes of a traditional farmhouse with the natural, textural materials and dark, grounding colors typically found in a cabin. The result is a modern rustic retreat, a high-end, comfortable home that feels deeply rooted in the landscape. Choosing a farm or cabin-style home offers profound benefits that go far beyond aesthetics. Firstly, there's the unparalleled sense of peace and privacy. These designs are intentionally built to foster a connection with nature, which directly correlates to reduced stress and improved mental well-being. Secondly, they offer incredible durability and low maintenance due to the heavy use of resilient, natural materials like stone and high-quality, often dark-stained wood, which conceal wear and require less upkeep than lighter colors. Finally, the timelessness of the style ensures your investment retains its value. Unlike fleeting trends, the combination of organic materials and simple, functional lines guarantees a home that remains warm, inviting, and architecturally relevant for generations. To make your farm or cabin exterior look its best, you need to focus on texture, contrast, and integration with the environment. Start by embracing a mixed material palette. Contrast the rugged texture of a stacked stone veneer or heavy timber posts with the clean lines of vertical or horizontal wood siding in a contemporary, dark stain. Next, perfect your exterior lighting. Use warm, yellow-toned downlights tucked into roof soffits to graze the textured siding and highlight the materials, avoiding harsh, bright white light. Strategically place simple, black metal sconces beside doors. Lastly, landscape naturally. Use native, hardy plantings like grasses, ferns, and local stone borders that look like they belong there. This thoughtful approach ensures the structure feels like an organic extension of the landscape, not an intrusion. And now, to enrich your imagination and bring you more inspiration, let's explore the collection of the top 10 best farm and cabin house designs. One, the simple modern box. This design is a masterclass in modern simplicity. It features a straightforward, rectangular volume clad entirely in vertical black siding, creating a deep, uniform texture. This dark core is beautifully contrasted by a large, integrated wooden deck and a recessed entryway, both finished in warm, natural wood tones. The roof is a low slope or flat design, keeping the silhouette clean and minimal. The house is distinguished by several large, dark-framed windows and a sliding glass door that seamlessly connects the dark interior to the sunny, natural exterior environment. The design is a bold, clean statement in the woods. 2. The traditional stone lodge. This beautiful structure leans into a more traditional, rustic lodge aesthetic. The lower level is defined by a massive, multi-story natural stacked stone chimney and foundation that grounds the home. The upper section features a deep reddish-brown, textured wood siding, possibly logs or rough-sawn planks. It has a high-pitched gabled roof and a covered entryway that looks directly out to a densely wooded area. The combination of textured stone and heavy timber gives this home an incredibly solid, protective, and timeless feel. 3. The Grand Rustic Log Cabin. This is the quintessential, large-scale classic log cabin. The exterior is built with prominent, horizontal rounded log construction with deep, visible joinery, giving it a rugged, handcrafted look. A tremendous, multi-story stone chimney, constructed from large, multicolored fieldstone, rises from the side. The facade features multiple levels of windows and is topped with a steeply pitched gabled roof, suggesting a warm, expansive interior, like a true woodland manor. 4. The Mountain Modern Prow. This impressive home represents a high-end mountain modern style. It features a stunning mix of vertical, dark wood siding and substantial lower levels clad in natural, light stone veneer. The structure has multiple gabled sections that create a dramatic, prow shape, maximizing interior views. The home is integrated into a slope, with a large, elevated deck extending from the main floor. The extensive use of glass doors and windows is set off by dark, clean trim, ensuring every room captures the surrounding mountain environment. 5. The Cozy Wooded Retreat. A smaller, charming example of a modern rustic cabin. The home's main body is clad in a dark, rough sawn wood siding, lending it a deep, protective tone. A focal point is a cozy, elevated wooden deck framed by a simple railing, and to the side, there is an outdoor gathering area centered around a fire pit. The simple gabled roof and clean-lined dark windows are tucked among tall trees, giving the impression of a secluded, intimate sanctuary designed for quiet weekends. 6. The Classic Stone Chimney Cabin. This large cabin uses a warm, natural wood log or plank siding. Its most notable feature is the enormous, multi-flue stacked stone chimney that commands the left side of the structure. The home has a symmetrical, gabled roofline with a covered front entrance and a lower-level foundation also clad in natural stone. The extensive use of wood and stone gives it a robust, traditional, and welcoming atmosphere, ideal for a family lodge. 7. The sleek modern A-frame. This design reinvents the iconic A-frame cabin for the contemporary era. The steeply pitched roof extends almost to the ground, and both the roof and trim are executed in a sleek matte black material. The main walls are clad in a light, natural wood siding, creating a striking contrast with the dark frame. The entire gable end is a floor-to-ceiling expanse of glass, offering a dramatic view out and flooding the minimalist interior with light. A simple elevated wooden deck provides an outdoor living space at the front. 8. The Geometric Black Box. This is a quintessential contemporary architectural retreat. The design uses a bold, geometric composition featuring clean lines and a strong contrast between matte black metal cladding and warm, horizontal wood paneling. The house is composed of two primary volumes, a lower black section and an upper black section that steps back, revealing an integrated covered balcony/deck with an elegant wood-clad ceiling. The extensive use of recessed lighting and glass sliding doors creates a sophisticated, lantern-like glow at dusk. 9. The Modern Black and Wood Gabled Cabin. This home embodies the modern Scandinavian aesthetic. It features a clean, simple gabled roof and is primarily clad in vertical black siding. The lower section incorporates elements of a natural wood-colored material on the deck and possibly the foundation. It has large, dark-framed windows to maximize views and natural light. The design is minimalist, focusing on the quality of the materials and the striking contrast between the dark cladding and the surrounding green landscape. 10. The Glazed A-Frame Escape. Another beautiful variation of the modern A-frame. This smaller, secluded cabin is framed by a dark metal roof and clad in light, vertical wood siding. The true drama is delivered by the fully glazed facade, which extends from the roof peak to the deck, creating a light-filled living space that is entirely exposed to the tranquil forest. A simple, elevated wooden deck provides a vantage point for enjoying the wooded scenery. From the bold, geometric statements of the modern black cabins to the rugged, stone-clad comfort of the traditional lodges, these 10 designs prove that your escape to nature doesn't mean sacrificing style. The blending of the functional farmhouse shape with the raw, natural materials of the cabin is creating truly unforgettable homes that offer both luxury and a profound sense of peace. Which one of these 10 incredible cabin and farm designs captured your imagination the most? Tell us your favorite in the comments below. If you're ready to start building your own dream retreat, smash that like button, subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studios for weekly inspiration, and click the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.